explain. Those signal pathways slow down, like old telephone wires that don't carry messages as clearly anymore.